want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never.
Dear my beloved friends, welcome back to Madi Sean. And today's video I would love to show you the most amazing floating village in Cambodia. So this is the most interesting village in the country, where you can see most of the houses were built on stilts, and it received the water from the Mekong River every year during the rainy season. Kampong Khlaing Floating Village, located in Sotnikum District, and it is around 50 kilometers away from Siem Reap town. You can travel by car and it takes you around an hour to get to that area. In the dry season, it is pretty much easy that village by the motorcycle or even the ground transports. But in the rainy season, some point you need to use the boats. Today, Kampong Khlaing becomes the most interesting place for the tourists. So the tourists who come to visit Siem Reap, and they often spend some free times after they visit Angkor Wat Temple, the most famous temple in the world. And they ask their local agency or the drivers to take them to visit this beautiful floating village, to learn about the daily lifestyle and to see the fishing activity, and especially to see the most beautiful lake in the country. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy the beauty of the Kampong Khlaing Floating Village and the Tonle Sap Lake, the largest freshwater lake in South Asia. Thank you very much for watching my video.